suck. I'm getting my own car. You see, guys, this is what happens when you put a mechanical engineer in charge of this stuff. We're gonna speed.
Hey, Mike, how you doing?
I don't know. Ninja go! Yes, yes, spin, 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 spin. Ah! Jason! Jason! Whoa! Oh, there we go. Oh, there's penguins. It's the thing I saw at Carowinds. I think I'm stuck right now. We're currently stuck in a cycle. There we go. Ninja go! Ah! Whoa! Ah! What you're looking at is a mechanical engineer. Oh my goodness! What's happening? Jason! Oh, that turtle's going nuts in front of me. You seeing that, guys? You seeing that? Oh shoot! Here we go again. Jason's looking a little puzzled, guys. I think he needs to learn. Listen, I think he needs to listen to the mechanical engineer. Ninja go! That's the ride. That was actually a lot better riding alone than riding with a friend. That certainly was something. Wow. Jason, that was crazy.
It's better with 3 people. Have you seen the vlog with me and Nate and Sean in one?
No. I remember trying to ride it every time with you and James.
And we get